Thank you. Now let us meet Angelica Bravo, another good friend of our everyone. Angelica.
Sir, happy birthday. Nasabi naman nila lahat. Kaya, ang nasabi ko lang, nandito lang kami para sa'yo, yung family mo. Yun lang. Thank you and mahal ka natin.
Thank you so much, my dear Angelica. Let us have Kimberly Sabandang. Kimberly will be giving her wishes.
Michelle, happy birthday. Sa nakikita ko sa'yo, parang lahat na yata nasa iyo. Kompleto na sa amin na maiinigin pa. Siguro ang wish ko na lang, good health, at saka sana parati kang maging masaya. Ganun din yung family mo. And ayun, we love you. Tatandaan mo yung palagi. I love you.
Thank you, Kimberly. Next in line is Angel Dinayakya. Nako-college friend po ito ng ating Angelica.
Before I give my wish, I would like to say thank you for being good and nice friend to me. Happy 18th birthday. More birthdays to come, more blessings, more happiness in your life. I think you're complete. Wala namang hiling parents mo sa'yo. Hindi pa ako sa'yo kasi you're complete. Naibigay mo lahat ng gusto mo sa parents mo. That's all. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. Hindi namin ko lang po inisentro ang ating si Winchell. Pero kompleto ang kanyang happiness tonight. Now we have Mariel Kimberly Esguerra to complete our 18 candles. Your wish?
Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. And I wish you to have good health, happiness, and good health. Happy birthday.
Can we give this group of ladies a big round of applause? Right now, Winchell and his younger ladies here for some photos. Baba ka muna, Winchell, and join the group. Picture. And for Winchell, I believe that every wish given to you right now, all you have to do really is to pray that God will bestow you with a lot of blessings. Not just but don't forget to make your special wishes. Beginning on that lady right there. Okay.
Baliktad kasi.
As we are witnessing the 18 candle ceremony, everyone please utter some prayers for Winchell that her journey to womanhood be really fruitful at talaga pong meaningful. So I believe that is one of the best gifts that we could offer to her right now. Our perfect prayers po talaga. And it is so nice to celebrate this milestone with your closest friends. And Winchell is quite lucky enough to have her circle of friends with her on this very special night of hers. Hindi yata papayag ang ladies na walang walkie shot, ano? Oo, kailangan ipakita yung walkie shot. Lead the group! On your left, sway it! Oh! On your right, sway it! Oh! Thank you so much, girls. Let's give the group a big round of applause. And may I request You have to light your candle over your cake. Are you ready to light your candles? Are they ready?
Napakala si Dad, solo ko na lang. Kuha na ko solo. Paano yung...
At talaga namang napakagawang pulpo ng ating export siya talaga nag-light. Hindi na talaga si Windsor. Okay. Ganun po siya ka-support player. Okay, everyone, please do you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Once again, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wait down. It is your night, and God is listening right now. Close your eyes and make your one special birthday wish and blow your candles. Everybody, happy birthday to each other. 1, 2, 3, shout! Happy birthday, Winchell! And certifiably, he is Miss Winchell Papagrass right now. And we would like now to officially ask ang dalawang siblings ng ating debutante. We've heard them over video, pero gusto natin pakibigyan po siya ng microphone, Kuya.
Ate, happy birthday sa akin. Ito na mga buhay. Gagawin ko sa tamang lang. Ikaw na bahala sa sarili mo pag umalis ka sa tahanan natin. Pag mo pababayaan ang sarili mo. Happy birthday.
Narinig niyo ba yun? Talaga naman, napakalalim ng kanyang puso at pagmamahal sa akin yan. Thank you, David Joshua. Let's give the kid a big round of applause. And now let us listen to Edna Jules.
Ate, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, tuloy mo pa ang pag-aaral mo, para maging successful ka, sana magkasama-sama mo na magkakapamilya. Ate, pagputihin mo pa ang pag-aaral mo, sana huwag na magbago ng pag-aaral mo. Ate, happy birthday. Amen.
Naku, napaka-sweet ng ating little girl, Wena. Thank you, girl. And now may I request, of course, unahin ko na ba si Mama? Mama Wilma, I know that you are so proud of your daughter, and I know talagang best body kayo. Now it's your time to reveal what's on your heart for your lovely daughter.
Parang ko yung friend na ako. Happy birthday ka na. Ayoko mag-emote.
Bawal ang
Ayoko
imo.
palagi ni Papa kasi I love you.
Thank you, Mama Wilma, and you look lovelier tonight, equally lovely. Now, alam niyo po, sabi ni Papa kanina, kung narinig niyo po, 3 beses lang siya na present na i-celebrate yung birthday ni Winchell. Pero, extra special tonight. Kahit ano ang mangyari, hindi siya pumayag na hindi niya masasaksihan yung tipo ng kanyang eldest daughter. Papa Jun, your wish for your daughter.
I have only one wish to you. Happiness and success in your life. That's all.
Thank you, Papa Jun. And right now, I think Winchell is ready to pour in what's on her heart right now and say her words of love and gratitude to her family and to everyone here who really made her night remarkably special. Miss Winchell.
Everyone, first of all, I want to say thank you for all those who come in here and share this moment with me, this important moment in my life. Although yung iba